Now let me write to the M soup. Okay, M soup I want to write because I have to the superscript. Okay, in a word also we learn, right? Superscript, subscript, right? Same as over here, I want to write to the superscript. So I want to write over here. What is that? If you can see superscript. Okay, so soup. Okay, M soup I want to write over here. Okay, when you are writing to the M soup, you can see the superscript will be the ready. Okay, in that superscript, I want to write again back mi and the this one whatever we are using mi and first mi because the letter we have, right? So let me write over here mi because if I want to write any kind of letter, we are using to the mi only, right? Isn't it? So let's go. I am using mi. Inside of the mi, okay, we need to write to the our character, right? Isn't it? Character I want to write. What is that character? Suppose I think so X only, right? Okay, let me check it back again. X. Okay. Where is our? See, it's X, and right now square. So then, how we can write the square? Square is the another concept. How we can write square? See over here, the square. When we want to call the square, we need to write a mn. Mn means what? This is the represent a numerical value. Okay, numeric value. When I want to represent like a numeric value means it's like a digits, right? So whenever I want to write a digits, I want to write to the mathematical numeric. Okay, mn. So let me use over here mn. Okay, mn done. Why it's a main? I want only the mn. Okay, mn only I want to write. Okay, and I want to write over here for the square. So you can see it's automatically going to the head, or we can say in the top. So that is exactly magic of coding, guys. Understand how is exactly the going on. See, this is first, if you can see, I started with the mathematical row because I have only the one row. Okay, before that, don't forget, we are using over here one Canva, or we can say we are saying to our computer, my mathematical functions are starting from over here. Okay, math open, math close. After that, we are writing over here. This is my everything inside of a one row only. So mathematical row. After that, if you can see over here, what we have over here mi is represent always the character mathematical identifier. After that, if you can see over here, mo means mathematical operators. Whenever we have to the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, this kind of operator we are using to the mo. Okay, means mathematical operators. Okay, after that, if you can see again back, we are writing to the what that uh, characters, right? So again we are using identifier mi. After that, over here is the concept is different. When I want to write to the this full a square in this one, so what we are writing over here, we are declaring as the m soup means a mathematical a superscript, right? Superscript means when I want to write a square, that time I am using superscript. Okay, after that we are writing to the mi again back the one character I have, that's why I'm writing this one. Okay, after that, what this is, see, x I have one character, right? So that's why I'm using over here x, and after the square is the numeric value, or we can say the mathematical numeric. Okay, now you understood. After that, go outside for the m soup because I want to write again back one operator. So how we can write the operator? Using by mo, right? Isn't it? Okay, let me write mo. Okay, mathematical operator. Which operator we need to use? We need to use right now plus sign. Okay, let's use to the plus. Okay, plus also done. After that, what we have? We have to the bx. Bx all they have to the mi only. Okay, let me write again back two times of mi. Okay, and I'm closing mi also. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, right now what we are doing, mi, what is the mi I want to write? Bx. Okay, so let me write over here. Okay, let me write over here b and the x. Done. Bx also done. Now what is remaining? Just few steps we are, back. Just we need to add again more one time mo. Okay, mo we need to write. Okay, after that mo, what I want to write? Again plus sign. Okay, again we need to write one only the mi, mathematical equation. Sorry, identifier, right? Mi, identifier done, and I want to write only the C. See guys, done almost. So this is exactly we can write our mathematical equation. Okay, but As you know, many guys are saying, sir, but we can directly upload the image also over here. What is the problem? So guys, problem is not anywhere. We can upload to the image. Again, I am saying it's depend upon to you. You are the coder. What exactly you want to do, you can put. Means one problem we have to the lot of solution that I want to mean. Okay, so we can write to the math also, math function also. What is useful, you know, when it will be useful, simply when the SEO concept will become search engine optimization. That time what happen, you know, this all will be means when if you are, you know, something a mathematicals proper, you know, proper maintained website, your website will be a ranking in the top only. So that the, you know, tags magics, when you're using lot of tags, and if suppose that related in that topic only or that concept only, then the chances your website only will be the come to the top. That I want to mean. Okay, so I'm stopping this video over here only. Okay.